Technology and love, new applications in finding a partner. In today's fast-paced world, finding love can be a challenge. However, with the advancements in technology, the process of finding a partner has become easier and more efficient. Dating apps and websites have revolutionized the way people meet and connect with each other. In this article, we explore some of the new applications in finding a partner through technology. Artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, AI, has been making waves in the dating world. AI algorithms can analyze user data to provide more accurate and personalized matches. For example, some dating apps use facial recognition technology to match users based on their facial features. This technology can also be used to analyze user behavior and preferences to suggest potential matches. Virtual reality. Virtual reality, VR, is another technology that is being used in the dating world. VR dating allows users to create a virtual avatar of themselves and interact with other users in a virtual environment. This technology can be particularly helpful for people who are shy or have social anxiety, as it allows them to interact with others in a more comfortable and controlled environment. Augmented reality. Augmented reality, AR, is a technology that overlays digital information on the real world. In the context of dating, AR can be used to help users find potential matches in their immediate vicinity. For example, a dating app could use AR to display information about other users who are nearby, such as their name, age, and interests. Social media. Media has become a powerful tool for finding a partner. Many dating apps allow users to sign up using their social media accounts, which can help them find matches who share similar interests and hobbies. Social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook also allow users to search for potential partners based on their location, interests, and other criteria. Smartphones. Smartphones have made it possible for people to connect with each other anytime, anywhere. Dating apps are now available on smartphones, making it easy for users to find potential partners on the go. Smartphones also make it easier for users to communicate with each other through messaging and video calls. In conclusion, technology has revolutionized the way people find love. From AI algorithms to virtual reality, there are many new applications that are making the process of finding a partner easier and more efficient.